Okay, here's the shot out of the cannon. Oprah, Barbara Walters, your wife. You got to fuck one, marry one, kill one, go.
I'll tell you who it was. It was that damn Sasquatch.
Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
Stop looking at me, Swan.
Eat shit, Derek.
I'll turn this damn bus around. That'll end your precious field trip pretty damn quick, huh? Little sheet.
I've traveled 500 miles to give you my seed.
I bet that snack pack is pretty good, huh? Want to trade me the rest of it for this banana? You know how badly I could beat you, right?
I have a belly full of white dog crap in me, and now you lay this shit on me?
Give me one more chance. I'll prove I can take over. I'll do anything it takes. I'll go back to high school and take the exams again, and I'll get the diploma all by myself.
Hey, you are embarrassing yourself, you geriatric fuck.
Hey, you want to go feed the donkey some beer? Get it all messed up.
I remember my first beer.
I am the smartest man alive.
I smoked pot with Johnny Hopkins. It was Johnny Hopkins and Sloan Kettering, and they were blazing that shit up every day.
If being in your pants is cool, then consider me Miles Davis.
Did we just become best friends?
You broke my heart.
I have a green belt, read it and weep.
Eric drinks his own pee.
I'm going to take a pillowcase and fill it full of bars of soap and beat the shit out of you.
Suntan lotion is good for me. You protect me, tee. Oh, the sun tries to burn me but you won't let it, will you? Ultraviolet rays bad. Lotion good.
You mess with my nut, Brennan. Randy here is gonna eat your dick.
Nib high football rules.
Yeah, you better not go to sleep, cause as soon as your eyes shut I'm gonna punch you square in the face.
Lady, you're scaring us.
You know what? I still hate you, but you got a pretty awesome collection of nudie mags.
Okay, a simple, wrong, would have done just fine.
Fucking Catalina wine mixer.
Rock. R-O-C. Oh. The C is silent.
All I had on me was this samurai sword. And you're not gonna not get Randy Jackson's autograph, right?
I don't know. I kind of feel like an idiot sometimes. Although, I am an idiot, so it kind of works out.
You know what I got for Christmas? A crushed soul.
Back to school. Back to school, to prove to Dad that I'm not a fool. I got my lunch packed up, my boots tied tight. I hope I don't get in a fight. Oh, back to school, back to school. Back to school, well, here goes nothing.
Sticks and stones may break my bones, but I will kick you repeatedly in the balls, Gardoki.
What you've just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.